I probably should have started the camera before I checked my brakes and found them loose, but that's okay. Everybody knows you're out to get me.
Yes.
I'll make this a little tighter. It was loose last time. Helmet tight?
Yep.
And you have the directions?
Yep.
Yeah, see, my helmet's still loose.
I think you had more hair last time.
Are you saying you're cutting my hair at night?
Yes. Make a left, make a right, then go make a left.
My brakes are squealing. Wait, is my tire all the way on? Now I'm paranoid about it. Yes. Wait, is that you? That's you. Yeah. Okay.
You want to make a right? Go all the way down to the street end. And then make a left.
You're gonna park by this tree?
Yeah. Behind it. Okay.
Behind the tree or that little tree?
You gotta stay real close.
I love her boots. Which tree? The little one? You know what I forgot? Bug spray. Something wrong with it?
Nope. Oh, the spider webs. It's like...
Okay, as long as there's no spider, I'm thinking it's cool. Apple picking 101.
Looks good.
Right.
That would have been a good one. But...
What's wrong with it? Eesh. Hey, don't hit other fruit with it.
Oh.
Because then you knock some of the good ones to the ground. Usually people use 2 hands in case they knock one loose while they're in there. Ty?
Yeah.
Hear me?
I got my apple and everything. That's neat. That bush was done. It smells like apple vinegar in here.
Maybe you need to change position.
That's spider webs on it?
Ooh. I don't know what that is. It looks like, what is it? Macintyres, I think.
Macintosh?
Are Macintosh green?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. Next time we bring a knife.
There's one in the car, but we didn't take the car.
I think we said that the last time we went too. Look at that, me without my knife.
In the rain, eating apples.
That's pretty good. I don't think it's ripe yet. Okay, love, it's starting to rain, like heavy. Remember I said use 2 hands so you don't knock all the fruit?
That one was that.
It's starting to rain, Ty.
Alright. Next one.
Those look nice. Deborah was the father's secretary. Don't forget to share the fruit. to eat some of those berries?
Ready? And go.
I'm already beating you.
No, are you?
Yes. This is no competition. Incoming. Right. You're cheating. You got on pedal assist?
Yep.
Yes, you do.
I know, I do.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. On your left. We just got back and our lunch was delivered. So we're just gonna leave everything here and go down and have a snack. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna stop a second and just take it in.